Morning, students. Today we are going to solve this question paper, which is our mock test number 29. Okay. So starting from the first question. Okay. As you can see that it is a complex number question, application of complex number. Omega is there. Omega is a complex cube root of unity. So if we start with question number 1 like this. See. Okay. Let me check the question number 1. They are asking us the value of some expression in terms of omega. They have given 1 plus omega minus omega square whole raised to power 7 plus 1 minus omega plus omega square whole raised to power 7. Okay. Now see, we know that 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square by the properties of 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Okay. So here also I can write 1 plus omega square as minus omega, and one more minus omega is available from before. So minus omega square, it will become minus 2 omega square raised to power 7 minus omega, it will become minus 2 omega whole square minus 2 raised to power 7. Since it is an odd power, minus will be there. So I can write it like this, minus, okay, sorry, this one is also 7, no? Okay. So I can take minus 2 raised to power 7 outside, common from both. So I'm going to get in bracket omega square, omega raised to power 7. 2 into 7, it will be 14 plus omega raised to power 7 like this. So minus 2 raised to power 7 like this. It is omega power 14 can be written as omega square. Omega 7 can be written as omega square plus omega, which is equal to minus 1. And this is equal to minus 1 to 8. Here and here it is minus 1. Okay. So both get multiplied, we are going to get plus 128. That is option number B is our correct answer. Done. Okay, moving to question number 2. This is also a complex number question. Number of complex numbers z satisfying mod z equal to 1 and mod of z upon conjugate of z plus z conjugate upon z whole mod equal to 1. Mod z, they are saying it is equal to 1. Okay. Mod of z by z conjugate. The z conjugate by z. Okay. Let us try. If I put the value of z is equal to x plus iota y, then z conjugate can be written as x minus iota y. Okay. Now just put those values in the given equation, that is z by z conjugate plus z conjugate by z. This is the value. Or instead, okay, if we just cross multiply it, so what we are going to get? First do this. Z into z will be z square and z conjugate into z conjugate will be z conjugate square, right? In denominator, we are going to get z into z conjugate. So if we simplify it, z square can easily be written as mod z whole square, and conjugate of z is also equal to mod z square, and z into z conjugate is also equal to mod z square. Okay, remember this. And they have given the value of mod z as 1. Okay. So if I put the value of 1 plus 1 upon 1, whole mod is also there. So just put a value like this, like this, like this. Okay. So 1 plus 1 is 2 upon 1. So it is 2 only. So I got mod 2 equal to 1 like this. Or if I try to, since they have given the value of mod z square, I can put that value 1, right? Mod z whole square plus mod z whole square upon mod z. Well, yes, that is fine. So it is 2, and that is equal to right side is getting 1. Number of complex numbers z satisfying mod z equal to 1 and this. Okay, so we cannot put the value of mod z equal to 1 directly or what. Just try to solve this equation. First, see what we are getting. In the numerator, we are going to get 2 times of mod z whole square, all divided by mod z square equal to 1. Okay, that mod, if we take it to right hand side, it becomes plus minus 1 like this. Okay, so mod z square will get cancelled out. Yeah, if you don't want to cancel, you can take use it as an equation. Then 2 into mod z 2 times of mod z whole square equal to mod z square once you take plus value. So we are going to get from here what? Mod z whole square equal to 1. So mod z equal to plus minus 1. But mod cannot be a negative value. Okay. Here mod z must be equal to 1 only. We cannot take negative 1. Similarly, if we take the negative value for right hand side, we are going to get 2 times of mod z is equal to minus of mod z. So this minus mod z will come to left hand side. It will become 3 times of mod z equal to 0. Okay. Here also 2 times of mod z square minus mod z square is not 1. It is 0 now. Right. So mod z you are going to get 0. Again, 3 times of mod z equal to 0. Then mod z equal to 0. I am getting only one value. Okay, no issue. We can go through this question afterwards. We will see to it again after some time. Just come to next question. Question number 3. Z1, Z2 are complex numbers with mod Z1 equal to 2, mod Z2 equal to 3, and mod of Z1 plus Z2 equal to 4. Then they are asking you to find the value of mod of Z1 minus Z2. Okay, let us see how we can solve this question. First, write down the data. We know this property. We have given mod of Z1 equal to 2 and mod of Z2 equal to 3. And also, they've given the value of mod of Z1 plus Z2 equal to 4. So we need to find the value of mod of Z1 minus Z2. So which property we can apply? We know this, that mod of Z1 plus Z2 whole square plus mod of Z1 minus Z2 whole square. This is equal to how much? 2 times of mod of Z1 whole square plus mod of Z2 whole square, like this. To put the values, this is equal to 4 square. This we need to find equal to 2 times of 2 square plus 3 square. So how much we are going to get? 4 plus 9, 13 into 2, 26. And 16, that will go to right hand side, minus 16. You are going to get Z1 plus minus Z2 whole square, so this is equal to 10. So mod of Z1 minus Z2 is equal to 10, and that square will make it under root 10. So is there an option root 10? Option D you can take. Okay. Okay. Next, question number 4. What is there? Z value, they have given some root 3 by 2 plus iota by 2, root 3 by 2 minus iota by 2. Which one of the following is correct? Then real part of Z is greater than 0, equal to 0, less than 0, greater than what? Okay. So Question number 4 is, if you expand this value, power 5 is there by binomial, first term all positive values will be there and 6 terms will be there. For second value, if you expand it, you are going to get 6 values, but alternate plus minus will be there. So since both the values and a and b of both the term, both the, you can say, terms are same, so they are going to cancel each of the second term. That means second term, fourth term, and sixth term will get cancelled out. First, third, and fifth will be left. So first term, when you will solve it, so you will be getting what value? If you try to write this in the form of that what they have given, root 3 by 2 plus iota by 2, okay, whole raised to power 5, and another value they are using, root 3 by 2 minus iota by 2 whole raised to power 5. If you want to write it in the form of exponential form, so can I write it like this? Magnitude you need to find out. Its magnitude is root 3 square is 3 plus 1 4, that is 2. Here also denominator also 2. 2 by 2 it will be 1 only. So e raised to power iota. What is the theta value? That is y by x. Both are positive. It will be in first quadrant. It is 1 by root 3. That 1030. 1030 is pi by 6. So just write it like this. In this form I can write it. Again, this is first, x is positive, y is negative. They are in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, theta can be written in the form of negative also. So I can write it minus iota pi by 6 like this. Whole raised to power 5. Now multiply it. 5 inside, you are going to get iota 5 pi by 6. And then here you will be getting minus iota 5 pi by 6. Okay. Now simplify it. 5 pi by 6 can be written as e to the power iota pi minus pi by 6 is plus minus iota again pi minus pi by 6. So we are going to get what? It is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, theta can be represented as, when you will write it in the form of cos and sine, so you should know that in second quadrant cos is negative. So when you will write like this, cos of pi minus pi by 6, to break it, then only I can solve, right? Plus iota again sine, it will be written as pi minus pi by 6. Again plus, you can write it like this, cos of pi minus pi by 6 minus, minus it will be, because minus sign is there. So iota sine of pi minus pi by 6. So you see, plus minus terms are getting cancelled out. These two terms will get cancelled out. So you are left with 2 times cos and cos. So no iota term is there. Only positive value, only real part will be there. So they are asking you about the real part. Oh, they are also asking whether it is positive real part or negative real part. That is also important. So in second quadrant, cos is negative. We know this. So that the z value can be written as negative of real part. Okay, this value will be getting some negative value as a negative real numbers. They are not asking exact value, so no need to find. Just according to the option, some negative value we are getting. So we can see real part of z is less than 0 and imaginary part equal to 0. So option C. Option C. Real part of z is less than 0 and imaginary part of z is equal to 0. So done. Coming to question number 5. Locus of the point z in the complex number satisfying this is a circle whose radius is 1. Oh, they are asking you about if it is representing a circle, then find out its radius. Okay. So for that, you need to replace z is equal to x plus iota y. When I will put that value there, I am going to get x plus iota y minus 1 whole mod equal to 3 in bracket again x plus iota y plus 1 whole mod. So I can take this real part together like this. X plus 1 plus iota y. Then according to this mod value, I can write it again in this form. X minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 3 under root x plus 1 whole square plus y square. If I do the squaring on both sides, I am going to get x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 9 times of x plus 1 whole square into y square. So I need to simplify it. So I am going to get x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square equal to 9 times x square plus 9 times 1 plus 18x plus 9 times of y square. Taking all the terms to one side, I will be getting 8x square plus 8y square plus 20x plus 8 equal to 0. So now taking 4 common, I will be getting 2x square. I should take 8 common instead. So I will be getting x square plus y square plus 20 by 8 is 5 by 2. X plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So I want the radius from here. So radius formula is what? Under root g square plus f square minus c. So g you can take under root. Whatever value is there, you need to divide it by 2. So it will be 5 by 4 whole square. No f is there. Directly c value is minus 1. So solve it. 25 minus 16 upon 16 is equal to 9 upon 16 under root, that is 3 by 4. So you can take the option number D. Option D is correct answer. Done. Next, question number 6. Okay. What they have given? Question number 6, they have given some summation value k equal to 1 to 6. It is sine 2 pi k upon 7 minus iota cos 2 pi k upon 7, like this. So what I can do? I should the standard form of this which form it is? One is exponential form and this one is polar form. So for polar forms, cos must be the real part and sine should be the imaginary part. So what we can do? I can take minus iota common from here. So write it like this. I took minus iota common here. So what I'm going to get now? It will be cos 2 pi k upon 7 minus sine 2 pi k upon 7. Like this with iota sign. I have taken minus iota common, no? So I need to divide it by minus iota also because there is no minus iota in this value. So if you have taken minus iota common, just divide it by 1 upon iota minus 1 upon iota here. So this iota you need to rationalize by multiplying iota to numerator and denominator. Denominator will become iota square. So change the sign in the numerator. It will be like this. 6 minus iota, it can be written as cos 2 pi k upon 7 minus minus, it will become plus, and then you can write it with iota sine 2 pi k upon 7. Now, in exponential form, I can write it in this way. Minus iota, I can write it in summation form like this, k equal to 1 to 6. Then e raised to power iota 2 pi k upon 7. Solve it. Upon 7. 7 means this is seventh root of unity. Sum of the seventh roots of unity. How you are going to calculate it? To the right hand side values. Okay, fine. 2 pi by 7 means it is seventh root of unity. If it would have been cube root of unity, we would have divided 2 pi by 3. Okay, right. Fine. So for sum of seventh root of unity, how we can calculate its value? If I put, okay, it is simply summation. No, when you will add all the sum of the roots, like alpha plus beta plus gamma, and it is seven roots are there. That is odd number. Always the sum is first value is negative. You should remember it. Okay, and it is also like cube root of unity. What is the sum of cube root of unity? We are getting 1, na? 1 plus omega square equal to 0. It is seventh root of unity. That value will be equal to how much? It should be equal to plus 1 or minus 1. How to get it? Sum of the seventh root of unity. K equal to 1 say till 7. We are getting. Okay. So if I write in the form of cos and sine, I'll be getting cos this, sine this, cos this, sine this. So in that case, value will be equal to, if you go through the, it will be a long calculation. If you go through long calculation, you are going to get its value as minus 1. Okay. So sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Okay, like this, plus b by a, c by a. So you can write it, multiply those values, you are going to get iota. Where is the iota option? Just take option number B. Okay. Next, question number 7, you can see. What is there in question number 7? If the complex number z satisfies this, then the least value of mod z will be what? Okay. We can solve it. See, solving this kind of question, there is one triangle inequality, right? By triangle inequality, we can easily solve this kind of question. If you remember this triangle inequality property, we can write mod z is always greater than equal to mod of z naught minus r. Okay. Mod z will always be greater than or equal to mod z naught minus r. So in the question, what is that z naught value? According to question, they have given us this value that mod of z minus 3 minus iota is less than equal to 3. So if you try to write it in proper form, I can write minus of 3 plus 4 iota like this, less than equal to 3. Here, z naught is equal to 3 plus 4 iota. Okay. So, and r value will be equal to the right hand side value. are equal to 3. Just put these values in the triangle inequality. Therefore, mod z will always be greater than equal to mod of z naught minus r. Mod of z naught and whole mod of r, like this. Okay, this will be the final. Now, what is the value of mod z naught? It is root under 3 square plus 4 square, real part square plus imaginary part square, minus what? R value, that is 3. So how much you are going to get if you solve it? 3 square plus 4 square is 5, minus 3, that is 2. Here is option number 2. Option D is 2. Tick option number D. Okay, fine. Question number 8. Alpha beta are the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, then what is the value of alpha 9 and beta 9? Okay, first to find out the roots of alpha and beta, then only it is you can solve it. We have the quadratic equation given x square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Then roots can be calculated as, here x will be equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac upon 12. Minus 12 upon 2. So I can again simplify it in the form of 2 root 3 iota by 2. Right? If I take 2 common from here, I'm going to get 1 plus minus root 3 iota by 2. These two got cancelled out. Or I cannot cancel it. Let it be like this. If I take minus common from inside, it will be like minus 2 in bracket minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota by 2. So this value is equal to omega. Therefore, alpha is equal to minus 2 omega and beta is equal to minus 2 omega square, like this. Now, they are asking for alpha raised to power 9 plus beta raised to power 9. That means minus 2 omega raised to power 9 plus minus 2 omega square whole raised to power 9. If I take minus 2 raised to power 9 common from both, in bracket, I will be getting omega 9 plus omega 18. So that is equal to minus 2 raised to power 9 is minus 512 and this is equal to minus 1 because omega power 9 is there. Omega power 9 is equal to 1 only. Omega power 8 is also equal to 1 only. Okay. So this is equal to 2 into 512 is minus 1024 then. Okay. Where is the option? Option number D you can take. Option D. Okay. Next. Question number. This was 8, right? Okay. Now question number 9. What is there in question number 9? Both the roots of this equation are greater than 3. Then A will be equal to what? Okay. Both the roots are greater than 3. It means what? D is greater than 0. Okay. Both the values are greater than 0 only they are saying. Both the roots are greater than 3. Yes. Then both are greater than 0 only. So D value is greater than 0. But they are not saying that both are equal or not. Right? They are just saying greater than 3. So take it equal to also. Maybe the both the roots are equal. We have no idea. Just apply the property of D. So D, they have given the quadratic equation as x square minus 6x plus 9a square minus 2a plus 2 equal to 0. So D value is what? B square, that is 6a whole square minus 4 into a into c, that is 9a square minus 2a plus 2 must be greater than equal to 0. तो ये कितना है 36a 4 into 9 36a square minus minus plus 80 minus 8 greater than equal to 0. So we can cut this like this. So I'm going to get 8 I take common, a minus 1 will be greater than equal to 0. So a must be greater than or equal to 1. A must be greater than, okay. One value we got. How we can find the second value? X square minus ax are greater than 3. Okay. First property I have applied it. In second part, how I am going to calculate, that is important. A is greater than, there are two options. They are also asking about the maximum limit till where it can go. So they are saying that greater than 3. So apply that f of 3. They are saying that it is greater than 0 right now. You just put that value in the equation. F of 3 greater than 0. So how much you are going to get? 3 square minus 9a into 3 plus 9a square minus 2a plus 2 must be greater than 0. So I'm going to get here what? 9, 27a, 9a square minus 2a plus 2 greater than 0. 9a square minus 29a, 11 greater than 0. This is a quadratic equation. So what are the two roots? 9 into 11, 99, and difference should be 29. So 333, 11 into 9 into 9, 11 into 3, 33 minus 3. Fractions we are getting. It is not a perfect square. So if we try to find this value a like this by the roots property, what you are going to get here? Minus b, that is 29, plus minus root under b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a, that is 2 into 9. Let us see what value you are getting. So this is 29 plus minus 29 square is 9 into 9, 81, 9 into 2, 18 into 2, 36, and 8, 44, 4 and 4, 8. 4 into 9 into 11. 36, 36 और 4, 40 upon 18. So this is how much? 29 plus minus 11 में से 6, 5, 3 में से 0, 3, 8 में से 4, 4. Each 435 is square root of some number. I think there's some mistake. Let me check the question once again. It is 3 square minus 6a. Oh, this is 9 I have written. No, that's why I made a mistake. This is not 9, this is 6. 6 into 3, it is 18a. It will be 18a. Then minus 18 minus 2 will be minus 20. So 11 into 9, 99. 11 plus 9, it will be 20. So no need of applying this whole formula now. It's simple. By middle term splitting, it is possible. So I can write here 9a square minus 11a minus 9a plus 11 greater than 0. So here you can get, if I take a common, 9a minus 11 minus 1, 9a minus 11 greater than 0. If I take 9a minus 11 common, I will be getting a minus 1 greater than 0. So if I put these values on number line, I'm going to get this is 1 and this is 11 upon 9. So if I put the value of positive, negative, positive, I need greater value. So yes, this value and this value. And earlier when I had solved it, first part, there I got a must be greater than or equal to 1. So common value will be, this is one of the part, and earlier initially we got it must be greater than or equal to 1. What is the common reason then between both? This is the common reason. So therefore its final answer will be a must be greater than 11. Okay. So option number 3 is our correct answer. Okay. Option number 10. What they have given in question number 10, alpha beta are the roots of this, then this value is equal to what? Okay. So see, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta equal to c by a. So now they are asking for what? So 1 by a alpha plus b plus 1 by a beta plus b. Just do the cross multiplication. When you will do the cross multiplication, I am going to get a beta plus b plus a alpha plus c, dividing it by a alpha plus b into a beta plus b. Now if I take a common from the numerator, I am going to get in bracket alpha plus beta plus 2b, all divided by a alpha plus b into a beta plus b. If I do the multiplication, I am going to get a square alpha beta plus ab alpha plus ab beta plus b square. So here I can take ab common. In bracket I can write alpha plus beta. Now put the values of all those. You are going to get minus b by a plus 2b upon a square into c by a plus ab into minus b by a plus b square. So this a and this a will get cancelled out, right? This and a square will get cancelled out. This a and this a will get cancelled out. What we are going to get? Minus b plus 2b dividing it by ac minus b square plus b square. Again, this minus b square plus b square gets cancelled out. Our value is b upon ac. Here is option number b upon ac, which is option number D. Option D is the correct answer. Next, if the equation this and this have a common root, then what is the value of b plus c? Okay. Question number 11. Okay. They are saying that they have one common root. B plus C का value. They have one common root. So what we will do, we will try to solve it by a trick fast. Let x be one of the roots which are common to both. So just uh, subtract both of the two equations. Okay? subtract both of the equations. When you will subtract it, what you are going to get? X square plus bx plus c minus x square minus ax minus b equal to 0. So as you can see, x square will get cancelled out. Rest, I can take x common in bracket. I will be getting b minus c plus c minus b equal to 0. So x of b minus c can be written as minus of c minus b, that is b minus c again. If you see both of them are same, just cancel both of them. So you got here x is equal to 1. So its one root is this. Then they are asking b plus c. You put x is equal to 1 in equation number 1. So you are going to get 1 plus b plus c equal to 0. This implies b plus c equal to minus 1. Question number 12 you can see now. All the four roots are positive real numbers, then a plus b will be equal to what? Positive real numbers. Okay. It means 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So a plus b equal to 2. Option is A directly. So we can go through question number 12. Since they are saying that all the four roots are positive real numbers, so I can take let a put x is equal to 1. If I put the value of x is equal to 1, I will be getting what? The positive real numbers they are saying, no? I, if I take a equal to 1 and b equal to 1, okay, so it becomes what? No, I mean to say that let x is equal to 1 be one of the roots. Okay, then 1 raised to power 4 minus 4x cube plus, minus 4 plus a plus b plus 1 equal to 0. So I can write it like this. 1 plus 1, 2 minus 4 plus a plus b equal to 0 minus 2 plus a plus b equal to 0. This means a plus b equal to 2. Option A is there. Option A. They were saying that all the four roots should be positive. So product is 1. Question number 13. Quadratic equation with roots are the squares of the roots of this is what? Question number 13. First, you need to find out the square root of this value. Can we solve it? Their product is they are saying 10 and difference is 3. So just try to solve. 2x square plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. If I write it like this, 2x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. I can take x common. I will be getting 2x plus 5 minus 1 common. 2x plus 5 equal to 0, then I can write it like this: 2x plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. So x value is minus 5 by 2 and another value is 1. So these are the two roots. Now they are saying that find out the new quadratic roots, the squares of these roots. Therefore, squaring the above roots, it will become minus 5 by 2. Taking it as alpha, its square, it will become 25 by 4 and beta equal to 1 chi square, that is 1 all. Therefore, equation. Try to find out sum of these roots. Sum of these roots. Alpha plus beta equal to 25 by 4 plus 1, that is 29 by 4. Product. Therefore, new quadratic equation. New quadratic equation implies x square minus sum of the roots, that is 29 by 4 into x plus product of the roots 25 by 4 equal to 0. It will become 4x square minus 29x plus 25 equal to 0. Which option is there? 4x square minus 29 plus 0 is option number B. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 14 now. Okay. 1 upon 1 is to 3 plus 1 upon 3 is to 5 plus 1 upon till 20 terms, you need to find the summation of this. Okay. 1 upon 1 into 3, 1 upon 3 into 5, 1 upon 5 into 7 plus dot dot dot. How we can solve it? For this, you need to find out the general term. If you are able to find the general term, then things will become easy for you. How you are going to find the general term? This is 1, this is 3, 3, 5, 5, 7. Okay. So if you go through AP, 1, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, dot, dot, dot. What is the nth term for this? You need to find it. And here it will be, Tn will be equal to 1 plus n minus 1, n minus 1. How many terms are there? Tnth. To common difference is of 2. That is equal to 1 plus 2n minus 2. So you are going to get 2n minus 1, right? Similarly, if we take first term as 3, 3 comma 5 comma 7, this one, this I want the tnth term for this also. So here I am going to get tn equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into d. So it is 3 plus 2n minus 2, that is 2n plus 1. Combining together, tn will become 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Nth term equal to this. Now they are asking for T20th term. Therefore, T20, just put the value of n as 20. You are going to get 2 into 20 minus 1. 2 into 20 plus 1. So it is equal to 40 minus 1, that is 39, and this is 41. 39 into 41. Upon, no, this is in, okay, sorry, this tenth term is 1 upon. So 1 upon 39 into 41. Not only T20, they are asking you the summation value, not just the T20th term. So how you are going to find out the T20th term? That is important. Not like this. Think about the summation. So here you got the Tn value as 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 in this form, right? So just try to write it in this way. 2n plus 1 minus of 2n minus 1, also 1 upon 2 in bracket 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay, then it is fine. So in this way, I can write it. If I want to separate it, it will become 1 by 2n minus 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1 in this form. This is our tnth term. Now, this is the simplified form of tnth term. We have to find out the summation. 20 minus 1 is 40, 39 minus this. Summation. How we are going to find a summation for this? When you will add all the tnth term starting from 1 upon 1 into 3 till this 20th term. So what you are going to get? Summation of n terms will be equal to 1 by 2 will be common from all, and you will be getting the first term 1 upon 1 only minus this last term 1 upon 2n plus 1, like this. Therefore, sum of 20th term will be equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus 41. Now do the cross multiplication. 41 minus 1 is 40. 40 upon 41, this 2 to cut this 20, you are going to get 20 upon 41. So option number B is the correct answer. Next, question number 15. Okay. Sum of the first n terms of an AP is this. If its mth term is 164, then m is equal to what? Sum of the first n terms. That means Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n. If its mth term is 164, then what is that m value? Okay, no problem. By Sattas, we can say that here the first term is equal to 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8, and its common difference is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. Fine. Now I can find any of the terms. They are saying that tmth term, tmth is equal to a plus, that is 8 plus m minus 1 into common difference 6. This value is equal to 164. Just find out the m value from here. So what we can do here, m minus 1 into 6. First 8 will go to right hand side, 164 minus 8 is 156. Now with this 6 cut this 156. 26. So m is equal to 26 plus 1, that is 27. Option C. Next. Three numbers are in GP. Their sum is 21 and the sum of the squares is 189. The largest of the three numbers is what? चलो इसको कैसे करोगे? क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. जब भी तीन नंबर रहा तो सबसे पहले हम जीपी में तीन नंबर को कंसीडर करने के लिए कौन कौन सा नंबर्स ले सकते हैं ए और आर के टर्म्स में? Let the three numbers be a by r, a, and ar. They are saying that sum. That means a by r plus a plus ar equal to 21 they have given. Just take a common from here. I am going to get 1 by r plus 1 plus r equal to 21. Okay. This is one of the equation. From here I can write it 1 by r plus 1 plus r equal to 21 upon a. So I can also write 1 by r plus r equal to 21 upon a minus 1. This is related to question number 1. Again, they have also given that a square of these three numbers, that is a by r whole square plus a square plus a into r whole square equal to 189. So if I take a square common from here, in bracket I am going to get 1 by r square plus 1 into r square equal to 189, right? I can write it again in this form: 1 by r square plus r square, sorry, plus 1 plus r square equal to 189 upon a square. Then 1 by r square plus r square equal to 189 upon a square minus 1. Okay, this is our second equation. Now solving first and second. For that you need to square the above terms. So you can write it. Solving equation number 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. We get a is equal to 6 and r equal to 2 or 1 by 2. Two values will be there. Therefore, the numbers will be in GPR. First number will be 1a by r, that is 6 by 2, it is 3, then 6, and then 12. So which is the greatest of this? 12 is the greatest number. Option A is our correct answer. Sum of the infinite series, question number 17. Infinite series. For that, you need to find out the common ratio. If it is a GP, 1 plus 4 by 5. So in the numerator, it is moving like AP, na? In the denominator, it is like GP. It is an AGP series, okay? AGP. AGP series, okay? AGP series. So 1 है, 4 by 5 है, फिर 7 by 25 है, प्लस डॉट डॉट डॉट. तो यहाँ से A जो है 1 होगा, कॉमन रेशियो 1/5 है, कॉमन डिफरेंस 3 है, और बस इससे हो जाएगा. सम ऑफ इनफाइनाइट सीरीज का फॉर्मूला क्या है एजीपी के लिए? a अपॉन 1 माइनस आर प्लस a अपॉन 1 माइनस आर प्लस इसके साथ में और क्या रहता है? एडी और ए आर डी इंटू 1 माइनस आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 माइनस आर का होल स्क्वायर, लाइक दिस ओनली ना. Into r upon 1 minus r square. This term will not be only this much. rd upon 1 minus r square. That's all. Let's put the values. A value is 1. 1 minus r value is 1 by 5 plus 1 in no r into d. It is 3 into 1 by 5. Okay, let me write in the denominators. A value is 1 by 1 minus r is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 into 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 5 का whole square. 1 upon 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5 upon 4 by 5 का whole square. So I am going to get it like this. 5 by 4 plus it will be 3 by 5 into 25 by 16. With 5 you put it 5 times. So this is equal to 16 4 25 20 plus 15 upon 16 35 upon 16. Option C is our answer. Okay. Option number 2. S1 denote the sum of n terms of an AP and S2n equal to 3 times of the same. Then what is the value of S3n upon n? Okay. Let's write the values. S2n equal to 3 times of Sn they are saying, right? So what is the formula? S2n 2n by 2 in bracket 2a plus 2n minus 1 into common difference d is equal to 3 into, you can write it like this, 3 into n by 2 in bracket a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. A into n by 28 plus 1 into n minus 1. Okay, now you try to solve it and we write it in this way. 3 is the n. Both sides can, what all terms you can cancel? N by 2 will get cancelled out. S3n by Sn they are asking. S3n by Sn. S2n by Sn we have 3. What is the value of S3n by n? That is the question. n by 2 3 by 2 कट करने से अच्छा हम कॉमन ले लें उसको. 3n by 2 minus, okay. 3 को अगर मैं इधर लेके चला जाऊं तो ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? That means 2 by 3 times of 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Like this. Multiply it 4a, 3a. There will be some relation between n and d, right? A is also unknown, n is also d is also all are unknown values. Okay, just multiply it. Or we have what they're asking. We need to find S3n upon Sn. That means 3n by 2 in bracket 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d, all dividing it by n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. बाई टू अगर मैं कट कर देता हूँ सपोज यहाँ से मेरे पास 3 बच रहा है, तो 2a plus 3n minus 1d वो वैल्यू कहाँ से पुट होगा, ये भी तो सोचने वाली बात है। इसके लिए यही है कि इनको सॉल्व करके रिलेशन निकाला जाए ए एंड डी में, ठीक है। एक जो भी वैल्यू आएगा उसको फिर पुट करना होगा हमें इधर। हम्म, ये भी तो 2a ही है ना, ये क्यों लिखा है इसको? ये तो 2a रहने वाला है। 2a तो रहेगा 3d 3n 2n। We need to equate and find out some relation between ND and A, okay? Then when you put it the value, I will directly write the answer. You try to solve it, okay? Because there will be some relation after solving this equation. A 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So after solving this, after solving the above equations, we will be getting this ratio S3n upon Sn equal to 6. Option number A. The 18, after question number 18, it is 19. See what they're asking. Question number 19 is 1 upon 1 into 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 7 plus 1 upon 7 into 10 dot 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 up to 10 terms. Okay. 10 terms तक का summation निकालना. Okay. So what we can do here, in the numerator, if I replace this 1 as 4 minus 1, so I'm going to get 3. So just taking 1 by 3 outside like this to balance it, I can write it again 7 minus 4 upon 4 into 7 plus 10 minus 7 upon 7 into 10 dot dot dot. And when you will separate it, you will be getting 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 10 plus dot dot dot. So as you can see that each second, third, fourth, all they are going to get cancelled out. So what will be left? Left will be the last term of this 10th term series. So if it is starting with 1, So you can say that its 10th term will be equal to, starting with 1, the second term will be equal to 147. It is an AP difference with 3. So 10th term will be starting with 30, right? A plus n minus 1 into D. 1 plus n minus 1, that is n minus 1 into 10 term 2 minus 1. Common difference is of 3. 9 into 3, 27. So 10 minus 1, 9 into 3, 27. 1 upon A plus, that is 4 plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 into common difference is of 3. That means 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 upon 27 plus 4 is 31. So I will be getting here 31 minus 1 is 30 upon 31 with 3 equal to 10. You are going to get 10 by 31 like this. Where is the option? 10 by 31. It is option number C. Okay, fine. Option C. Next, question number 20. How many 4-digit numbers with no digit repeated are divisible by 5? 4-digit numbers with no digits repeated are divisible by 5. 4-digit number divisible by 5, this value must be either 0 or 5. So if I am replacing with 5, suppose, one case, digits repetition is not allowed. So here can be 1 is already used, 0 cannot be there, 8 will be there, then again 8 and then 7, right? 8 because 0 can in second position, 0 can be included, okay? So 8 into 8 into 7. 8 into 56. Case 1. 48, 4. Second value is 1. This is, I'm replacing it with 0. One case. It can be 9 possibilities are there, 8 possibilities are there, 7 possibilities are there. So 9 into 56. अच्छा करता है 9, no? 9 into 6. Then the 50. Add it. अक्षर 12 को दिया. 950. Option C is the correct answer. 21. The number of arrangement of the letters of the word is no two S are together. Is what? Okay. M I. These four are of the letters. And S. No two S are together means the number of arrangement minus No two S are there. Not saying that all the S should not be together. Only two S should not be together. So there the case will be different. Arrangement no should be equal to 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7. How many uh, space in between are available? So for 7 cases, I am going to arrange other than S. That means 5 और 2 7. 7 factorial. Okay, let me explain first. These are the positions of other than S. And these are the possibilities of all S. Or S. Other than S. So now let's see the arrangement. Total 7 are there, so 7 factorial will be there, but in that repetition is also there. For S 4 times, and for P 2 times, and all the I can be replaced in how many places are the 8? 8, 3, 8, 3, 4. Now, कोई भी 4 जगह लेके उसको अरेंज क्या करोगे? मान ये अलग से इसमें रिपीटेशन है तो उनको अलग अलग है और 4 फ्लोर वाली होगा फिर आप इसे कोई भी 4 जगह दे दो देखो कितना आ रहा है आंसर 7 फैक्टोरियल मतलब होता है 5040 या तो कट करना चाहते हो तो 7 6 5 4 फैक्टोरियल से कट हो गया 2 फैक्टोरियल 2 8 की 4 मतलब 8 इंटू 7 इंटू 6 इंटू 5 कितना है देखो मल्टीप्लाई करके कितना आ रहा है 2 से इसको कट कर दिया 3 ये हो जाएगा 21 इंटू 40 इंटू 7 इंटू 10 तक किया 84 जब में किया ना 84 है तो इसमें भी तो 4 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड करो ना रिपीटेशन है ना 1/4 फैक्टोरियल मतलब इसके नीचे आना चाहिए ना 4 3 2 1 क्योंकि चारों सेम सेम है तो उसका कैलकुलेशन कितना हो रहा है 4 दिन 8 ये चला गया 3 से 2 हो गया तो बचा कितना 7 इंटू 3 21 इंटू 10 इंटू 7 इंटू 5 5 इंटू 17 दैट इज 0 35 3 7 7350 7350 ऑप्शन ऑप्शन बी इज योर करेक्ट आंसर ओके this is question number 21 then question number 22 is how many men and 5 boys and 3 girls be seated in a row so that no two girls sit together okay first 5 boys 1 2 3 4 5 b b b b 5 boys means 5 factorial and remaining will be the total for girls so 5 factorial for boys into 6 3 3 girls के लिए 5 factorial is 120 into 6 p3 is 6 into 5 into 4. ओके, ये कितना हो गया? 120 इंटू इस तक 120, 14400. That is option number C. The number of integral solutions of x plus y plus z equal to 20 with x must be greater than equal to 1, y कितना होता है? 20. Okay. They have given, question number 23 is, they have given x must be greater than equal to 1, y must be greater than equal to 2, z must be greater than, means x minus 1 must be greater than equal to 0, I can write it. Y minus 2 must be greater than equal to 0. And z minus 3 should also must be greater than equal to 0. This can also I can write like this. Now, they have given x. Okay, now adding these three values, add the above equations. It will become x plus y plus z minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. That is minus 6 must be greater than 0. Right. X plus y plus z value is how much? They have given it as 20. So 20 minus 6 must be greater than equal to 0. Okay. Which is 14. So I'm getting 14, right? So they are asking what? They are asking about the number of integral solutions for this. How many integral solutions can be there? So, number of non-negative solutions will be given by 14 plus how many variables are there? X plus y plus z, x, y, z, three variables are there. So 14 plus 3 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Solve it. Sixteen by 2, that is equal to, so total number of non-negative solutions will be equal to 14 plus 3 minus 1 combination of 3 like this. So this that is 16 into 15 by 2, that is 120. Where is the option? Option number B. Next, number 24. The number of onto function from a set containing 5 elements to a set containing 3 elements is what? Number of onto functions containing 3 elements will be onto a set containing 5 elements to a set containing 3 elements will be how much? Onto functions from a set containing 5 elements to a set containing कितने फंक्शंस हम इनके बीच में बता सकते हैं onto function? ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है. ओके, there is one formula for finding onto function. 3 इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, इसके पास 3 है, इधर से 5 है. onto functions के लिए रेंज एंड कोडोमेन मस्ट बी इक्वल. तो रेंज एंड कोडोमेन इक्वल चाहिए, उसके लिए कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं हम, नंबर ऑफ ऑनटो फंक्शंस set with 5 elements to a set with 3 elements will be given by 3 raised to power 5 minus 3c1 2 raised to power 5 plus 3c2 1 raised to power 5 like this. Okay, 3c1 3 minus 1 3c2 1 raised to power 5. Just solve it. Given by this 243 minus 3 into 32 plus, so you are going to get 243 minus plus 150, which is option number. लाइट चल रहा है वो बंद कर। Next 25. Coefficient of x to power 7 in the expansion of this will be how much? देखो ये बायनोमियल थ्योरम का क्वेश्चन है। इसका अगर मैं x to power 7 निकालना है तो पहले हमें जनरल टर्म निकालना पड़ेगा। जनरल टर्म मतलब टी आर प्लस 1 क्या निकल के आएगा बोलो? 11 CR 2x square का पावर 11 minus r. Next we can write minus 1 upon x power. Okay, just simplify it. 11 CR 2 raised to power 11 minus r into minus 1 raised to power r. Next, x raised to power 22 minus 2r minus r minus 3r. Okay, fine. Now they are saying that x power should be 7. Therefore, equating that x power 22 minus 3r with 7, we are going to get what? 3r equal to 15. So r equal to 5. Now, coefficients we need to find. Just put this value of r. Therefore, coefficient x raised to power 7 is equal to 11c7 2 raised to power 11 minus 1 raised to power 7. Okay, solve it. 11c7 can be written as 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 upon 4 3 2 1. 2 raised to power 4 minus 1. 4 into 2 8. With 3 I can cut it like this. So I'm going to get 330 and 2 raised to power 4, which is equal to 16 with minus sign is also there. The mistake or what? 11 CR 2x square raised to power 11 minus r. Then minus 1 by x raised to power r. 11 CR 2 raised to power 11 minus r. X raised to power 22 minus 2 or minus 3 minus 1 is fine. R value I got 5. 11. Oh, R value is 5, not 7. Okay, here is the mistake. R value is 5, 7. 11 C5, 11 minus 5, 5. So when it becomes the calculation here, 11 C5 is equal to 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5. Okay, fine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2 raised to power 6 minus 5 into 2, 10, 4, 8, 2 times 3 is 3. We are going to get 33 into 40 minus. We multiply it to get 16 into 18. At the last, we will be getting 8. So, they should check the ones digit. Ones digit we are getting. Acha, 16 and 18. It is 8 at the last place and with negative sign. So it's only one option, that is option number 3 we can take, which is matching. Okay. Okay, next. 26. Term independent of x they are asking. So this is again a binomial question. Term independent of x means the power of x in general term should be equated with 0. So I can write again the general term first. That is equal to 10 CR root x power 10 in bracket 1 upon 3x square whole power. Sorry, this root x should be 10 minus r. Here it will be r. Okay. Now simplify it. What you are going to get 10 CR x raised to power 10 minus r all divided by 2. Then 1 by 3 raised to power r into x raised to power minus 2r. Okay. Again, if you want to simplify it, I can write it in this way. 1 by 3 raised to power r, then x power 10 minus 5r all divided by 2. Like this. Now, they are saying the term should be independent of x. That is 10 minus 5r all divided by 2 must be equal to 0. So 10 minus 5r equal to 0, it means r equal to 2. Now, term. Okay, which term it is which is independent of x? Therefore, r value is 2. Term. Coefficient only they are asking. By mistake, they have written term. Therefore, coefficient will be equal to 10c2 and then 1 by 3 power 2. The value. That means 10c2 equal to 10 into 9 by 2, that is 45 into 1 upon 9. That is 5,000. So we are getting 5. Option D. Next. Question number 27. What is the value of some summation they have given? R equal to 0 and the upper value is 10. Then R squared 10 CR. They are asking the value of this. We can calculate this value. Can you say 0? By solving it, R square value can be written as 1 square, 10 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. To simplify it, you can get 10 into n plus 1. Okay, 2 raised to power n into n plus 1 into 2 raised to power n minus. This is the final simplified form after solving it for nth term, not this one. Okay, we should write like this using summation r equal to 0 till n, this r square ncr, its value becomes n into n plus 1 into 2 raised to power n. Just put the value of n here. Therefore, to n equal to 10, we are going to get 10 into 11 into 2 raised to power 10 minus 2, that is 8. So 110 into 2 raised to power 8 is 256, that is 28160 is the answer. Option B. Next, 28. The remainder when 7 raised to power 103 divided by 25 will be what? See, 7 raised to power 103 can be written as 7 to the power 102 plus 1, like this. Then I can write it 7 to the power 7 raised to power. That is equal to like. Okay, next 50 minus divided by 25. They are asking us to divide it by 24. 25 का multiple है 50. So 50 is always divisible by 100. You can also write it as 1 minus 50 raised to power 61. So with odd power, I can convert it now. So that into 7 is also okay, fine. If I try to expand it by binomial theorem, first term will be 1, next term will be 51 into 50. Then every time I'm going to get some multiple of 50 after this, right? Multiple will keep on going. If you separate it, 7 minus the remaining number, they are divisible by 25. Divisible by 25. Okay? Divisible by 25. Now, divide the above, divide the above expression by 25. तो क्या मिलेगा अगर मैंने इसको 25 से डिवाइड किया तो 7. ऑब्वियसली 7 को जब 25 से डिवाइड करोगे तो हमें 18 वहां से रिमाइंडर मिलेगा. ठीक है. सो ऑप्शन डी. Next, question number 29. This is a log question based on the properties of log. Write it like this. This is log x to the base 2 plus log 2 square x plus log 2 raised to power 4x plus equal to 7 by 2. We need to find the value. Then I can write it like this. log x to the base 2, 1 by 2 log x to the base 2 plus 1 by 4 will be outside, log x to the base 2 equal to 7 by 2. If I take common log x to the base 2 from here, in bracket I'm going to get 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 equal to 7 by 2. Then log x to the base 2 can be written as 4 plus 2 plus 1 upon 4. That is equal to 7 by 2. So log x to the base 2 equal to 7 by 4 equal to 7 by 2. Then I can cancel this 7 and this 7 with 2 this 2. Next, I can write it that log x to the base 2 equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 raised to power 2, that is 4. Option number B. Okay, next. See question number 30. Value of some numbers they are asking. Log 4 to the base 3 can be written as log 4 by log 3 into log 5 by log 4 log. So if you can see, log 4 and log 4 gets cancelled out. Log 5, like this. So the last term what will be left is log 9 upon log 8. This term will get cancelled out with the earlier value. So we will be getting what we are getting log 9 upon log 3. That means log 3, and this 9 can be written as a square. 2 log 3 equal to 12. Option A. Next, 31. Option number 31. Log 2 to the base 10 they are given at 0.3010. We have to find the number of these 2 raised to power 64. So apply log first, 2 raised to power 64 to the base 10. So we are going to get 64 log 2 to the base 10. So that is equal to 64 into 0.3012. Multiply it, you will be getting 19.264. So the number of digits in 2 raised to power 54 is equal to greatest integer of 19.264 plus 1. That is 19 plus 1, and that is equal to 20. So the option C is your correct answer. The product of this expressed in binary will be how much? So first we need to convert it into decimal numbers. So it can be written as 2 raised to power 0 plus 2 plus 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 4. And that is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 16. That is 29. Similarly, next number is 101 to the base 2. This can be written as 2 raised to power 0 plus 2 raised to power 2. that is 1 plus 4 and it is equal to 5. Now we have to multiply 29 into 5, 145. Again we need to convert it into binary numbers. So 145 can be converted to binary number by doing this way. I got 1 as remainder, 36, 0 as remainder, 18 again 0 as remainder, 9 again 0 as remainder, 4, 1 as remainder, 2 times 0 as remainder, 1 times 0 as remainder, 0, 1 as. Now 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so I got this value. Therefore 145 can be written as 100 100, then 1 to the base 2. The option is there. B. Option B is the from down to up. Next, sin plus cos is this. What is the value of tan? Sin theta plus cos theta is 1 by 5. In tan theta can be what? Taking the squaring on both sides. I will be getting sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2ab, that is 2 sin theta into cos theta is 1 by 25. 1 plus sin 2 theta is 1 by 25. So sin 2 theta can be written as 1 by 25 minus 1, that is minus 24 by 25. Now, sin 2 theta, there is a formula called 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Taking it as t, 1 plus t square. If you do the cross multiplication, to just cut this bar like this. ये अच्छा तरीका हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं ना फिर. Yes, that formula is there, but the calculation might be longer. So instead of going through that formula, we can also go instead. Just write this sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta is there now. That is equal to 2 into minus 24 is there. 22. 12 3 into 4. 3 by 5 into 4 by 5. I can separate it like this. Cos and 7 cos and tan will be. Therefore, tan theta can be written as minus 4 by 3 और minus 3 by 3. दोनों में से कोई भी हो सकता है. चेकिंग विद द क्वाड्रेटिक, जो क्वाड्रेटिक हमें दे रखा। Checking with the quadratic, we get tan theta will be equal to -4/3. Next, option B. Okay. Question number 34, students. They are asking the value of what? Tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree minus tan 63 degree plus tan 81 degree. Okay. Now we can calculate it. See here, tan 9 is there, tan 27 is also there. Minus tan 63 by complementary angle concept, I can replace it with cot 27, and this tan 81 can be replaced as cot 9. Okay. Taking together, tan 9 plus cot 9. Okay. Minus, if I write this like this, tan 27 plus cot 27. So we need to solve it. If you go through solving by sin 9 and cos 9, all that, do the cross multiplication and all, you will need the values like this: sin 9 upon cos 9 plus cos 9 upon sin 9 minus sin 27 cos 27 plus cos 27 upon sin 27. Like do the cross multiplication, what you will be getting? It will become 1 in the numerator. Here we will be getting sine 9 into cos 9. Do the multiplication 2 by 2. Again, here will be 1 by sine 27 into cos 27. Again, do 2 by 2 here. So we are going to get 2 by sine 18 minus 2 by sine 54. Now you need the value of sine 18. Sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4, and sine 54 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. To do the cross multiplication, you are going to get 8 common in bracket root 5 minus 1 root 5 plus 1, like this. Taking common, you will be getting root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1, 5 minus 1. So it is equal to root 5. Root 5 gone. 2 by 4 is the 2. 2 is 4. So your final answer is 4. 4, option number D. Next. Question number 35. They are asking about the maximum value of this. Means 4 sin square x plus 3 cos square x plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. We need to find the maximum value for this. How we are going to solve it? First, try to bring it in simpler form. How we can do it? This is 4 sin square x. Convert this 3 cos square x as 1 minus sin square x. Let's see what you are getting. Again, this is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 can be replaced with 1 by root 2 से अगर मैंने इसको मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड किया तो ये क्या बनेगा? Plus taking root 2 outside, 1 by root 2 sin x by 2 plus again 1 by root 2 into cos x by 2. I'm going to get 4 sin square x plus 3 minus plus root 2. I can write it as sin of a plus b, that is plus 5 by 4, like. Now, if I want the max, this can be written as again 3 plus 5. Maximum and minimum value can be sin inverse x. If I replace it with 1 maximum value, root 2, here also sin is there. इसको भी 1 से रिप्लेस कर दिया तो ये कितना बन रहा है? 4 प्लस रूट 2. Less than or equal. So the correct answer will be C. Option C is my correct. Next, question number 36. Question number 36, what they are asking. Sin A is there, sin B is there. Now they are asking for sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B. What is the formula which we can apply here? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the formula. So sin A equal to 3 by 5, cos B is equal to 9 by 41, cos A will be equal to 4 by 5, and sin B will be equal to 41, I think 40 by 41. Yes, this value will be there. So it is equal to 27 plus 160 upon 205. So I'm going to get here 187 by 205. 36 done. Now moving to question number 30. This is option number D. 37. Cos x value they have given. They are asking you to find out the tan x by 2. Tan x by 2, there is a half angle formula applied at. Quadrant have they given? Okay, pi to 3 pi by 2. Then if you take half, then we will reach to second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan will be negative. Put a minus sign. Apply the formula. 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos. One minus of minus minus, it will be plus 3 by 5, and then 1 plus of minus, that will be minus 3 by 5. After solving, what value you will be getting? 5 plus 3, 8 by 5, 5 minus 3, 2 by 5. I will be getting 4 minus under root 4. That is 2. I got minus 2. Option number A. Next, moving to question number 30. We are going to solve this. Yes, Atta do it. Remember it. We are going to get 2 after solving. You can remember it directly. Tan square pi by tan square 3 by tan square pi by tan square 7 pi by equal to 2. Okay? There's a long solution to it. So I'm not going to solve it. Just remember the final answer. That is 2. Option B is your answer. Value of cos pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7. How we are going to solve it? 7 cos 2 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7. What is the theta for this? I can write it in this form. 1 by 2 cube into sine 2 cube pi by 7 upon sine pi by 7. So solve it. These two terms are going to cut each other because 8 pi by 7 is 5 plus pi by 7. 1 I can write it as minus I'm going to get minus option A. Okay. They're asking about the number of solutions. Tan x plus sec x is equal to 2 times of cos x. How many solutions are possible? The quadratic equation. Try to solve it. Like this. If I take 2 sin x common, I am going to get sin x plus 1 minus 1 into sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Taking sin x plus 1 common, I will be getting 2 sin x minus 1 to 0. Sin x equal to minus 1 and sin x equal to 1 by 2. Minus 1 sin का की वैल्यू आता है. Here it is x is equal to 3 pi by 2. 1 by 2 के दो वैल्यूज आएंगे. X is equal to 30, that is pi by 6, and 5 pi by 6. No. डिनोमिनेटर में फंक्शन को भी देखना पड़ेगा ना, ओरिजिनल फंक्शन. With the original function denominator, they have written given some cos. If I put here, something maybe it is not defined now. You cannot take this value as solution. Okay, this is not a solution. Only two solutions. Only two solutions. Which option you can take? Option A. Let's be question number 41. General solution of sin x plus sin 3 plus sin 5 is equal to 0. Okay, what is your general solution? Sin x, sin 3x, sin 5x equal to 0. Taking the sin c plus sin d formula between these two, You can write it 2 sine c plus d by 2, that is 3x into cos. Sine 3x common. Equating it with 0. Sine 3x equal to 0 means 3x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n. No, there is 0, no? So directly 3x equal to n pi. X will be equal to n pi by 3. Second part is 2 cos 2x plus 1. Here we are going to get cos 2x equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 in second quadrant, I can write it as cos 2x is equal to cos. And D. Angle of elevation top of the point is 30 degree from point to 800 meters. Question number 42, what they are trying to say. Sixty degree, 40 degree, 100. We need to find the height of the tower next. Write down 10, 60. Tan 60 is x by x. H is equal to x is equal to h by x. Again, tan 30 h by 100 plus x. 1 upon root 3. Do the cross multiplication. X value we can replace as h by root 3 equal to th. If you go on simplifying, we are going to get 100 equal to h common root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. Cross multiplication, 2h upon root 3 equal to 100. So cut this to 100. H is equal to 50 root 3. Option A. Okay. कौन कंटिन्यू करेगा अभी एंड कर देंगे ठीक आता है हाँ okay that's all we will do for today next day we'll come up with more questions okay